In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off out-of-office replies in Microsoft Outlook. If you've come back from vacation, finished a conference, or simply no longer need automatic responses going out, this quick walkthrough will help you turn them off cleanly so people receive your normal emails again. First, open Outlook on your computer. Make sure you're in the Outlook desktop app where you read and send your mail. If you use multiple profiles or accounts, confirm you're in the account where the out-of-office reply was originally set, since that's the one we're about to adjust. Next, click File in the top left corner. This takes you to the Backstage view, where account and mailbox settings live. It's the place Microsoft puts options that affect your whole mailbox, not just a single message. From here, select Automatic Replies, sometimes labeled Out of Office. This opens the Automatic Replies window, which is where you may have previously turned replies on, set a schedule, and typed your away messages. You'll see controls for sending replies, time ranges, and separate messages for people inside or outside your organization. To turn everything off, click Do Not Send Automatic Replies. This is the master off switch. Even if you had a start and end time scheduled, choosing this option immediately overrides that schedule and stops all automatic replies from going out. It's the fastest way